check out how much sugar actually in this thing. It says 55 grams, you know, from around that, you know. But what is it actually? How much is it? Is it a lot? Is it not much? How about we're gonna boil this thing out and see what's actually gonna happen? Because when you boil out the water, nothing stays after you boil it out. But if there stays a bunch of sugar, we actually will see how much sugar is left over in one of these. Well, let's get to it. Put it in there. Just one of this. We're gonna wait till it boils out and see what happens. As you can see, it's starting to get boiled. We're gonna have to wait till it boils out, so we're gonna wait a while. Slowly boiling out, so hopefully it boils out soon. And as you can see, it's almost done. The bucket is a lot dirtier now, but we'll see when it's all the way boiled out. So this is so much sugar from 1 little bottle of soda. You know what I mean? It's insane. Look how black it is. It gotta be sugar and all these other chemicals and stuff. But so every time you drink a little bit of soda, you pretty much eat all the sugar and all the stuff, whatever inside of it. So I put it away from the fire and look at this stuff. This is straight up sugar. Look at this. It's burnt, but this is so much crap. It's just from 1 little can. Imagine. So next time you wanna drink soda, think of that video, and you know, this is how much sugar and all that kind of stuff you actually drink. Every time you drink 1 little bottle like that of soda. But imagine if you drink 2-liter bottle. Well, why imagine? Let's just boil it and see how much junk is gonna be in there. So this is how much sugar left over in a soda drink, in 2-liter soda drink.